The big storm we had the other day has caused a bit of damage, and it's actually been raining the last 2 days as well. We've had quite a nice amount of rain last night and today. You can see the amount of erosion that's taking place here, and as with anywhere, you've got to try and do some maintenance. Gives us something to do during this period of time, and you know, a lot of this erosion is created, so we need to do bolsters, big bumps in the road which divert the water off to the side in what are called mitre drains, and you can see this. So we've got a big piece of equipment in here, TLB, which is going to be helping to fix this problem. So the way we're going to do that is we actually take sections in the bush to the side like this, where we actually get the bucket where we bring in soil, and that ultimately, where that takes place, becomes a drain. We throw a big pile of sand on the ground here, and then the water on these slopes will hit the bolster, move off to the side and drain into the bush, and ultimately everything will recover. It'll look quite bad for a few days, obviously with the soil disturbance. We'll actually show you that in a separate video, but then, you know, all recovers quite nicely, and it creates effective drainage and maintains our road. So you can actually see now he's already been doing some digging, putting one of these bolsters in, and you know, this is essentially going to be done in a few places on the slope. So you can actually see some of the rocks being dug up here, dig in the ground over there. That'll be smoothed off to become a nice drain. It'll also become a little mud wallow for animals at the time, and then you know, this will be smoothed off and compacted, driven over quite a bit with vehicles, just to ensure that it's a nice smooth ride for going drive cars afterwards.